COVID-19 is not over yet. The vaccine is here, but the virus still exists. In fact, India recorded over 1 lakh new COVID-19 cases, biggest one-day spike since COVID-19 breakout on April 4th. The question is, why are you allowing such a deadly virus to take us into its grip? We see a lot of people still not taking the basic precautions such as wearing masks or maintaining social distance. People, the virus is deadly. Therefore, we have come to remind you the measures on how to keep the environment and oneself safe from the novel coronavirus COVID-19. Firstly, maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others to reduce your risk of infection when they cough, sneeze, or speak. Make wearing a mask a normal part of being around the people. Clean your hands often. If you don't have an alcohol-based hand rub that is sanitizer, just use your regular soap and water and keep your hands clean. And most importantly, do not touch your eyes, nose or mouth, as the virus gets through the body from these sources. COVID-19 outbreaks have maximum been reported in restaurants, fitness classes, nightclubs, offices and places of worship where people have gathered, often in crowd, in indoor settings especially. Therefore, with the rate of infection spiking up, it is extremely necessary to keep the environment safer to live and thrive. Avoid the 3 C's. That is spaces that are closed, spaces that are crowded, or spaces that involve close contact. In case you're not feeling well, knowing the full range of COVID-19 symptoms is extremely important. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough and tiredness. Other symptoms that are less common and may affect some patients include loss of taste or smell, aches and pains, headache, sore throat, nasal congestion, red eyes, diarrhea or even skin rash. So if you're observing any of the COVID-19 symptoms, just stay home and isolate even if you have minor symptoms until you recover. And most importantly, seek medical attention, get yourself tested or call your healthcare provider or hotline for advice. In India, you can call the national helpline number that is 9111 239 78046 for any COVID-related issues. The next important thing to do is to keep oneself fit to combat the COVID-19 virus. So we give you a list of measures you can undertake to improve your immunity. Hydrate yourself. Drink plenty of warm water throughout the day or practice yoga or include in some kind of physical activity at home. Most importantly, increase the intake of immunity boosting products like vitamins and minerals. Also, inhale steam at least twice a day. Other than these important measures, keep yourself updated on the latest information from trusted sources, that is your local and national health authorities, and do not ignore the deadly virus. For more information on COVID-19 news, keep watching India.com and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.